If you have a house in Curtice, Ohio, and you want to sell fast, easy, and conveniently, then this video is for you. My name is Dave Payerchin, and for over 14 years, my team and I have been buying houses in and around Curtice, Ohio. And the reason people like working with us is we buy houses in Curtice for cash, and we buy houses in Curtice in their as-is condition. So what that means is you never need to fix anything, you don't need to haul anything away, and you don't need to clean anything, you don't got to offer us any credits, we're not going to nitpick your house, we're going to buy the house in its as-is condition. And what allows us to do that is we're a true cash buyer. And that's important because we're not relying on some mortgage company, some bank, or some lender to approve the sale of your house. When you're working with some of these traditional buyers, you know the ones I'm talking about. They're driving around with the real estate agent. If they're driving around with a real estate agent, by the way, you're going to pay commission on that. And that's money out of your pocket. But these traditional buyers, they're working with a mortgage company, and if you enter a contract with them, now they got to send their formal inspector through. That's going to nitpick your house. Now they got to have their formal appraisal done. What happens if the house doesn't appraise? What happens if their lender or their bank wants you to fix the chip paint, wants you to fix the gutter, wants you to fix something? Who's going to pay for it? How are you going to get reimbursed? It could be a nightmare when you're working with these traditional buyers, and you simply don't need to. It's 2026. You don't need to work with these traditional buyers. You don't need to pay any commissions or fees. You simply give us a call. We're going to make you a fair cash offer on your house. If our offer works for you, fantastic. We'll make it happen for you. We're going to communicate extremely clearly this entire time. If our offer for your house in Curtice doesn't work for you, that's okay too. There's no crime, no foul. We're never going to add any pressure. We're never going to add any fake urgency or gimmicks or sales tactics. No, we are local. This is not a call center located in some distant foreign land. We are local. We're proud to be here in Ohio. We've worked with hundreds and hundreds of people. We have tons of reviews and testimonials and positive references that we can share with you as well. So if you have a house in Curtice and you want to sell fast, easy, and conveniently, give us a call at 614-300-5151 or visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. Yes, it says Columbus in the website, but we're statewide. We were just founded in Columbus. We buy houses in Curtice, Ohio, all around Toledo, and all around the great state of Ohio. So our number, once again, is 614-300-5151 or visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. My name is Dave. I look forward to speaking with you, and I look forward to working with you.